This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59K is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately see your kitchen, with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, a microwave, and a mini fridge. Next to this is your seating area, which can be used as 2 twin beds or a single 74 by 76 inch bed. Looking up, you'll notice plenty of overhead cabinet storage and a flat screen TV. Above the sliding entry door, you'll find various coach controls. And on the ceiling is your Cummins Onan air conditioner. Moving into the back, you'll find your wet bath with a massive storage closet. Returning to the front, you'll find a removable table for your swivel chair. Your coach is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. It has a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 280 horsepower. Returning outside, you have a rear backup camera, and your hatch doors reveal access to your Nautilus water system. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.